Okay, welcome to JNS Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's the medium wheelbase, low roof. It's a 2014 reg, new facelift model. It's a rare vehicle, this one, unusual vehicle. It's a Hubbard fridge chiller van, automatic, petrol, 316, medium wheelbase, low roof, also with NGT gas conversion. So petrol, gas, automatic and Hubbard chiller fridge. 2014, low mileage, one owner from new, direct lease, Mercedes-Benz. It's in super condition all round, well looked after, no dents or bumps. Nice clean cab area, cloth 3-seater cab, multi-function steering wheel, Bluetooth cruise control. It's the automatic G-tronic gearbox, and then the Hubbard fridge unit. Petrol engine. Gas. Great MPG, nice and quiet engine, nice clean panels. It's got the rear parking sensors. Twin rear doors. These doors come right round to the side of the vehicle, 180 degrees, clip to the side of the vehicle. All good tyres all round. No stone chips on the bonnet. Just on 73,000 miles only. It's a one owner vehicle. 2014 medium wheelbase Sprinter 316 petrol, natural gas conversion with a Hubbard chiller unit fitted. For more info, call the office. I'll go to www.jsvans.co.uk. Open 7 days. Thanks for watching the video.